inevitable.
Inevitable's an okay adjective, Thanos, but I'm sure we could think of some more. Because I am Berwyn Jones from Smashing English. Let's get on with the video. Today, we are looking at Marvel characters, specifically adjectives to describe them. It's very important to learn plenty of adjectives, especially when we want to talk about something we really like Marvel movies and Marvel comics. Why just be limited to Hulk is strong, Hulk is big? There are so many more words we can use. So after this video, you will have plenty of adjectives to describe people and their personalities. First up, Captain America. We can describe him as honest and loyal. He is also extremely noble, which means to have a strong personality and extremely strong morals. He is also very humble. He doesn't brag about his powers, personality, how much of a great guy he is. And of course, Captain America is very dutiful. He has a strong sense of duty to protect his country and its people. Coming up next, it's Iron Man! Woo! Iron Man is very self-absorbed and very self-centered. Despite this, he is very committed and very passionate. He can be arrogant and selfish, but you can't deny he is very charismatic. I mean, look at that smile. Next up, it's the Hulk. Now be careful, don't make him angry. You won't like him when he's angry. The Hulk is very childish and reckless. He's a little bit of a brat. Brat is a noun. But the adjective, we could say bratty. Now be careful when Hulk's around because he's very destructive and he's very uncontrollable. Here he comes now! Ah! Bruce Banner, on the other hand, is introverted and rational. He's a little bit scatty and a little bit erratic. Ah! He's theoretical, scholarly and altruistic. Altruistic means to be completely unselfish. Now let's head over to Thor, God of Thunder. Now Thor is a prince of Asgard, so particularly in the movies, he is privileged and extravagant. He's very bold. No, not this kind of bold. Bold, brave, strong, heroic. He can be a little vain. But hey, wouldn't you be if you looked like this? He's dominant, persistent, and inspiring. What a guy. Next up, we've got Black Widow. Oh, my legs are gonna hurt tomorrow. As a fighter, she is flexible and coordinated. And as an Avenger, she is practical and resourceful. But as a human, she is closed off, internal, and guarded. Next up, it's the god of mischief, Loki. It's me. Loki is unpredictable, playful, and two-faced. He is flamboyant, entitled, and devious. He is very vengeful, and he performs his evil actions in a theatrical way. But thanks to the Loki series, we see him being a lot more vulnerable. And so because of this, he becomes much more three-dimensional. He's probably one of the most three-dimensional characters in the Marvel Universe. Now we have Laura's favourite superhero, Hawkeye.
I really don't like Hawkeye, I just really don't.
Hawkeye is one of the most family-orientated characters in the Marvel Universe. He's observant and perceptive, but at the same time being introverted and thoughtful. Next up, we've got Spider-Man, and we'll get started as soon as you
Fix this damn door!
Spider-Man is youthful, bouncy, vibrant, but because of his youth, he is fearful, anxious, and naive. Finally, we have Nick Fury. And the last time I described Nick Fury, I lost my eye. Nick Fury is bossy, sturdy, and competent. He's very wry, which means his humour is usually centred around insulting people. He's probably one of the most secretive characters there is. But at the end of the day, where would we be without him?
Hey, what about Captain Marvel?
Oh, good one. Well, there we have it. Plenty of adjectives to describe people. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. If you would like to follow our Instagram, the link to that is there. And if you'd like a one-to-one English lesson with me or Laura, the link to that is down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ta! Dun.